Understand?
Hello everyone, my name is Magnus. Today is precisely the 17th day of June 2020. That's exactly 2 days after my birthday. Right now I'm on Anyala platform, Anyala Well Head platform that's owned by First Exploration and Production Company, First EM. And right now this is the chemical injection we want to do. We have three phases. We have the test manifold. This is the test manifold of the line, test production manifold. This one here is the HP production manifold. That's the HP production manifold. And this one here, as you can see, this is the LP, that's low pressure production manifold. Now you come back here, looking at this right now. So this is the way we run the tubing, myself and my team. Right now, if you check it, it's properly neatly arranged with all the dimensions and calculations properly taken according to your check. This is a routing. You see, we are using a gun lamp that is on stacking. Check it out. You see the route all the way. The line, the chemicals. We have 4 different kind of chemicals on each line. We have the asphaltene inhibitor. You have the scale inhibitor. You have the corrosion inhibitor, and you have the wax inhibitor. Now these 4 chemicals, 4 different chemicals going into one of the manifold, same 4 different chemicals going into the other manifold. So that's how it is. So if you take a look at, I'm going to show you through. This is how it's running. This is how it's running. Look at the lines. See the lines it's running through. See the routing is neatly arranged. Neatly arranged. Neatly arranged. Neatly arranged. Now come, follow me. See how it's arranged. Then you come down to this point. This is the point, the hookup point of the low pressure manifold. So now check it out. Check how it's traveling. Check how it's traveling. And this is the union band. This is where we have all the joints. And as you can see, we have them tagged with paper just to indicate and to verify so that they don't mix up the line. And take this one. This one running through. So this one is the chemical injection. This one is asphaltene. This one is asphaltene inhibitor. This one is corrosion inhibitor. And all of them. So this panel is for the chemical injection. So right now, that's what we just have now for this hookup. That's what we just have now for this hookup. So I think this for the chemical injection. We have a lot of them. Like right now, this place is not accessible, so we can't go there. But this is just all for what we have now. So guys, thank you very much. I think you'll be having more videos coming your way so that you can understand how the business goes and how the tubing installation is done. Thank you very much. I remain your humble boy, Magnus. God bless. Bye.